Tired of dealing with fragile, damaged hair that breaks at the slightest touch? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleans your hair gently but also boosts its resilience against breakage. Wella Professional's Fusion Intense Repair Shampoo promises just that, delivering professional-grade repair with every wash. I've seen firsthand how damaged hair can feel like a losing battle. That's why I turned to this shampoo. Its secret lies in the silk amino acids, ingredients known for their ability to penetrate hair fibers and rebuild strength from within. After just a few uses, my hair felt noticeably softer and looked healthier, without that stripped, dry feeling some shampoos leave behind. Plus, it protects against the everyday wear and tear caused by combing and styling, so breakage becomes less of a worry. What you get with Wella Fusion is a shampoo designed specifically for damaged hair that needs more than just surface cleaning. It's a gentle yet effective formula that repairs while it cleans, leaving your hair cared for and stronger. Using it is simple. Apply to wet hair, work into a rich lather, then rinse thoroughly. If that's you, someone ready to give their hair the care it deserves, this shampoo is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to protect your hair from breakage and reveal a smoother, more resilient shine.